Hey, now moving to the project. Our project is a building customer data model, where the first phase is done by our seniors, and we are working on the phase two. Here, as you can see, they are given uh, as with 59 profiles, a LinkedIn profile, which is in JSON format, um, like this, and this would be the primary key for every table, the public identifier. So this is a JSON format file which is having all the data regarding the company, education, their activities, the certification, their awards, the course, everything, which is in the JSON format. So we are converting it to a table format and a visualization part. So now moving to the topic, here as we have, we can see here there are 10 tables which we are about to work on, and we have to submit these deliverables, which is a ETL file. With next one would be a dump file of SQL. Other one would be a visualization part. Moving to that, hi guys. Uh, Here I will explain the ETL part. As I have already told you, we have part of three. This one would be the first one, which is the ETL, where we have jobs, 10 jobs in this profile. For each profile, we have 10 jobs. So, first one would be demographic, next one, experience, third, education, certification, language, achievement, publication, patent, project, and volunteer. So, what we are doing here is we will create a job from the ETL job. Sorry, we can add a new job by clicking job. If you double click on that, a new job will be created here. So we have created a job for demographic where we are extracting the JSON files data to this job. Here we can see we have created a next stage. In this stage, we have created a transformation where to extract the data. So this is the flow of project will be. So all the LinkedIn profiles are passed over here, which will extract the demographic information, which is where we have selected all the data to be added, which should be displayed in a table. And if we want to remove any of the column, we can remove from the remove tab, which is at the top. And this data would be passed to the next phase, which is the table output. We can see the output over here. Just run the query, and the output, we can preview the output. This would be added to a database. Our database is actually in SQL log, which is having a group 2, and the table is already created over here, which means the demographic. How I have connected it over here is in the table. We can see the table target table will be demographic, and the connection added here is to MySQL, then to the database group 2, as we are of group 2 members, and this would be the target table. And we have added the truncate table so that there won't be any duplicate tables added to the table. So just like this, we have created every job for each one, which is experience, education, certification, and so on. So I will now go to the experience one. While opening that, we can see same like stage, first stage for that. Then this one would be the second. Yeah, moving to the transformation. Here we can see we are extracting those data, which is for the experience, and which is passed to the extract experience, where the fields are over here. We can see the fields, which are fields are uh, pulling out from the JSON file. Here it will be company, which is mapped to company, title, start and company LinkedIn profile, description, location, logo URL. Here we have start and ended, but it's not specified day, month, and year. So we are extracting that data from here, which will be extracted over here. See, day, month, and year. So there will be a case of duplication of started and started day, month, and year. So we have to remove a column from that. To remove this data, we will remove started and ended from remove value. This is a select value part we will remove from that, and the output will be dumped to which one stamped up to the experience table. As we can see here, the tag table is experience, and the connection is same like the first one, demographic one, which is to the database name group 2, and everything will be same. So we can run that and see what the output is. So the and we have created a ER diagram for everything. So this will be added to the SQL log. We can see if the demographic data has been pulled up. Yeah, it is over here. We can see the data is added to the table. That's how each phase is running. Same like each education certification and so on. Now moving to the volunteer, it's we can run everything because we have connected every jobs together and the job is working. So if we can see if everything is working in a serial manner, so run that and we can get the output here. See that everything is running successfully and the file will be updated to the SQL files, which means in a table format. These tables can be viewed in SQL log where all the tables are created and the data is populated. This part will be explained by the one next member. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'll explain about the database part of the project. Here we have made the connection with the uh, group database group 2, where we have added multiple tables from the JSON file, which includes multiple datas of each LinkedIn profile. These are the datas which is populated, and we have used the public identifier as the primary key, where we have made the connection with the demographic table with multiple tables like award, certification, education, experience, languages, patent, projects, publication, and volunteer. Also, we have completed the entity relationship diagram, which shows the connections between the database and table. Also, we have used the public identifier as the primary key, you can see here, and multiple tables are connected to the demographic table. The remaining tables.
Hello everyone. So here is the visualization part. So I have used W the for this part. So first of all, first we need to connect the database to the W. So for that, we need to click on connect to data. Here we have lots of options like Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON, Microsoft Access, PDF file, spatial file, statical file, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, Amazon Redshift, and MySQL. So here we have MySQL database. So we need to click on there. After that, we we have to enter the server details. Like for me, I am using localhost. So I will I will type localhost here, the port number, the database, username, and the password. So after entering the password, we need to click on sign in. So it will it will connect the database to the W, and After that, we can see the database is connected here. So first thing is I will use the demograph table as the main table. So I will drag here the table. After that, I will double click on the demographic. After that, I will attach all the tables to the demographic table with the union tag. So let's do it one by one. So here is the award. I mean, up like for each table, you can see the updated data here. So we need to click on update now. So as we click on update, that data will update here. After let's add certification. Let's add education. Let's add experience. Let's add language, then pattern, then project, then publications, then volunteer. We have already added a demographic table here, so we don't need to add it again here. After that, just click on update now. So it will take few minutes to update the table as it contains lots of data. So here you can see the updated table here. So for the table, there is a function called image URL. So for the for uh, if we want to get the data from the URL, we need to change the format from here. So you can see the profile pic URL, right? So here you can see ABC as well. So click on ABC. Here you can see the image role. You need to change it to the URL. So you can see that there is an image tag already appear here. You can see it. You can click. You can change it for each li- like picture link. So there is another field called logo. So let's change there as well. Yeah. So we have updated that to the image URLs. After that, what you need to do is you need to create worksheets for each table uh, so that we can create visualization easily. So for that, I have used um I have created uh, different sheets for each table. So here is the school sheet where we can see all the details like description, degree name, and answer the day and answer month, answer year, field of study, school. School starts at the month and year. Um, After that, as you can see, the certifications like the name and date and month and year. License number also we have authority and the URLs. For the project, we have the same thing like title, description starts at month, year, and day, month, year, and the URL of the project. So say for the publication languages, volunteers, and the public profile pic URL, and the same for we have used the demographic table, and we have the patent table as well. So for the patent as well. So after that, I've used all these sheets to the dashboard, and after that, like I have merged all the sheets into the dashboards. Like I have created whole dashboard with uh, multiple sheets, and I have arranged it in a way like here we can see the profile picture. Here is the name, city, state, and the role, and the uh, tagline, and the summary of the, the profile. After that, we can see the school details, certification, volunteer projects, publication, patent, and the language they know. Here I have added the search bar here, so you can search it over here, the name, or directly just click on any name. So let's click on like Akshata. So the data will change according to the profile, the Akshata, and the all the details will change according to that. Like let's say Chaitan. So for Chaitanya we don't have the picture, so it will not appear here, but all the other details will be changed like that. So let's say Hema Pawani. So you can see the data changes according to the um names and just what we have searched for. So yeah, here is the visualization part. Yes. Also, you can just um present it in a big way. So as you can see, the data is perfectly working. So yeah, thank you for saying the video.